In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily make anywhere between $10 to $50 an hour playing some of the most popular video games. So if you're somebody who's passionate about playing video games, then make sure to watch this video all the way until the end. Hey, what's going on, you guys? My name is Benjamin, and in this video, I'm going to show you 2 websites that you can use to start making money online just by playing some of the most popular video games. So the first website that I want to show you is a website called Fiverr.com. So this is a pretty popular website, and if you don't know what Fiverr is, it's basically a freelancing website where you can offer your services to people, and whenever you offer your service, you provide it and you get paid after the job is completed. So you can offer a wide variety of different online services ranging from graphic design, digital marketing, writing and translation, video animation, music and audio. I mean, there's a whole bunch of different online services that you can provide on this website. Now, in order for you to start providing freelancing services on this website, all you have to do is just come to the top of the homepage and click on where it says Become a Seller. So basically, it's going to bring you to this page, and you can click on this green button that says Become a Seller. And you're gonna enter, you can pretty much create an account with either Google, Facebook, Apple, or your email. And then you're gonna fill out an application and list what type of services that you're gonna be providing. So basically the way that it works is you're gonna create a gig, you're gonna sign up, and then you're gonna list the service that you're gonna be providing, and you're gonna set a price on how much you're gonna charge people for your service. Then whenever somebody contacts you for your service, you're gonna provide that service, and when your service is completed, then you get paid through Fiverr. Now, what I wanted to show you is people who are actually making money on this website just by playing video games and actually coaching people to become better players at some of the most popular video games. So just to give you a disclaimer, you do have to have a high skill level in order to provide a coaching service if you're going to be playing or helping other people become better at some of these most popular video games. So for example, if I type in Call of Duty coach, it's going to show me a list of people who are offering services that will coach people one-on-one to become better players at Call of Duty. So this seller right here says, I will coach you in Call of Duty Warzone and Vanguard, starting at $15. Now the thing about Fiverr is that there's different price points that each seller has. So if I click on this person's account, they have $15 for the basic plan, and it's up to 30 minutes of coaching. If I click on standard, it's $30 and it's for an hour. Premium is $45 and it's for 2 hours. So if you're highly skilled at any of these popular video games, you can provide a coaching service to help somebody gain a victory or just become a better player, and you can set your own pricing. So this is just one example. This is a popular game, Call of Duty, and there's a lot of people offering coaching services to become a better player or just to get a victory. So if you're somebody who's really skilled at Call of Duty or Fortnite, Among Us, Apex Legends, this would be a pretty good option for you to earn a few extra dollars. So like I mentioned, you can set your own pricing. And if I want to look at another popular video game, for example, I can type in Apex Legends. And you're going to find a wide variety of people who are also offering coaching services for this particular game. This person is charging $55, and this is for the basic plan. So for a 60-minute session, this person is charging $55. For standard, $80, and premium is $100. So this person, I believe, is a Fiverr Choice seller. So they're a level 2 seller, meaning that they have a lot of transactions under their belt, and I'm pretty sure they have a lot of positive reviews. So yeah, they have 149 reviews, and they're all 5-star reviews. So as you start to offer your coaching service to help somebody become better at a particular video game, you're going to start getting reviews, and once you do that, you start to build up authority, and more people are likely to choose your service over somebody else. And then that's when you can start charging more for your coaching service. So here's another person who has 280 views. They have a 5-star review, and they're charging $20. So this is basically a good starting point, in my opinion, for a 30-minute session, just to help somebody become better and improve their overall skill level. So for a basic, it's $20. For a standard, it's $35. And for a premium, which is a 2-hour session, it's $55. So any video game that you're proficient at, you can type it in, and more than likely you're going to find somebody who is offering a coaching service for this for that specific game. So another popular video game would be Fortnite. So as you can see, you have other people who are offering coaching services for a Fortnite, for people who are interested in getting a victory in Fortnite or just becoming an overall better player. So this person is offering their services as a Fortnite coach, and they're starting at $50, and they have 2,000 wins. So this is somebody who has some type of authority. They have I'm assuming a lot of professional skill level, and they're starting at $50. Their standard plan is $100 for a 2-hour coaching session, and their premium is $300. So this is just an example of how people are making money online just by playing popular video games. So when you get started on Fiverr, you're going to see a lot of competition, and that's not just with video game coaching, that's just in general on Fiverr. So if you're getting started, I would recommend to set your price a little bit lower, have a detailed description in your profile when you let people know what type of service that you're providing. And basically, as you start to get people who are buying your service, you can ask for them to leave you a positive review, and then over time you can raise your price, because when you have a lot of positive reviews, people tend to choose you over somebody who has like a lower score on reviews. So this is basically the first website to make money by playing popular video games, but it does require pretty high skill level in order to be able to coach somebody. So I'm going to show you the next website where you don't even have to have any skill level at all, and you can still make money by playing and hosting some of the most popular video games. So this next website is an online teaching platform called Outschool.com, and it's basically where you can become a teacher and you can teach a wide variety of different topics. So if you look at the different topics that are provided, you can teach arts, English, life skills, music, social studies, coding and tech, health and wellness, math, science, and nature. But if you look under the learner favorites category, you're going to see video games, Dungeons and Dragons, Fortnite, Pokemon, Minecraft, cats, dogs, and other favorite classes. So if I click on Fortnite, you're going to see people who are offering classes for students who are interested in playing and learning how to get better at Fortnite. So this person is charging $63 for each class. So that's a little bit too high in my opinion. But as you can see, the majority of people are offering anywhere between $10 to $20 per class. So if I click on, let's say this one, for example, you're going to see the description, and basically Fortnite Gaming Club. So it has a description: jump into a private creative mode with me and other learners to practice our skills, talk strategy, and battle it out. So basically this person is offering to have students in their class and basically help them get better at Fortnite with different strategy and also work on their communication skills. So it's a 55-minute class, and the students are between the ages of 7 and 11, and there's typically between 2 and 11 learners per class. So this person is charging $15 per week per learner. So every student that's in their class is paying $15. So if you have a class full of 10 people and you're charging $15 each, that's $150 per class. So right here it just has more details in the schedule for people who want to join this particular class, and more of a description. So learners will join me on a private server, and we will jump into a creative mode, practice box fights, or battle in zone wars, depending on how the group is feeling. And also too, this helps students, like I mentioned, work on their communication skills and also practice strategic planning. Now, I'm going to show you how you can sign up with this platform to teach. So all you have to do is come to the homepage and click on Teach, and then you're going to click on Sign Up as a Teacher. And basically you're going to fill out an application, you're going to create an account, and it gives you basically like a breakdown on how this process works. So you're going to work with kids who actually want to be in your class. And you can also make your own schedule. So that's the benefit about using this type of platform. You can set your own prices, and basically you don't really have to worry about doing too much paperwork. You get to spend more time doing things that you actually love, which is teaching, if this is something that you're interested in. Now, if we scroll down, it's going to have a little bit more information on how to sign up and who can teach. So basically they have secure online payments. I believe they pay you out through PayPal. Now, the best part of this platform is that they don't require any formal teaching credentials. We believe that many adults can offer rewarding classes based on their experience and interest. But They do have requirements as any type of platform like this would have. Is basically they require a criminal background check before you like start teaching, and you have to be a resident of the United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and the UK. So if you're outside of these countries, unfortunately, you can't sign up as a teacher. But if you are a resident of any of these countries, then I would definitely recommend to sign up as a teacher and get paid to basically host and moderate and play along with students playing the most popular video games. So it's free to list your class, but they do take a 30% fee from every time somebody enrolls into your class. So that's basically how they get paid, and they just basically keep the site up and running. Now, if you're wondering what other type of classes that you can get paid for as far as video games, you can actually just type it in and just start exploring the different types of classes. So if you're interested in something like Fortnite, as you can see, there's plenty of different listings out there. And also, just any video game, any of the most popular video game that you think that kids are playing these days, more than likely you're going to find it listed on this website. So if I type in Among Us, there's classes just for this video game. So Among Us Weekly Club, a lot of these classes, they're weekly clubs that they meet once a week, and they're reoccurring. So this is a great way to earn some extra money if you have some free time on your hands, if you like working with students or kids, and you want to have fun just hosting a positive environment while they're just playing video games. So these are two websites that you can use to make money just by playing some of the most popular video games. But if you're not somebody who's really interested in playing video games and you want to learn an even better way to make money online, then check out the link in the top of the description of this video for my personal recommendation. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you're interested in learning different ways to make money online. So with that being said, I'll see you in the next one.